Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing you a review of the Tronxy Moore Clay 3D Printer Do-It-Yourself Kit. Now, before we dive in, let me preface this by saying that I've used my fair share of 3D printers in the past. From entry-level models to high-end machines, I've tinkered with them all. So when I got my hands on the Moore one, I was hopeful. I mean, a 3D printer specifically designed for clay, that sounded pretty innovative to me. I followed the assembly instructions to the letter, excited to see what this machine could do, but alas, my hopes were quickly dashed. The Tronxy Moore one did try to print, I'll give it that, but every attempt was met with failure. The clay wouldn't adhere properly, the extruder clogged constantly, and the prints were a mess. You can see in the video it's not able to print even half of the part. And if dealing with a malfunctioning printer wasn't bad enough, let's talk about their customer support or lack thereof. When I reached out for assistance, not only were they unhelpful, but they were downright rude. When I mentioned returning the printer, they told me to ship it back to China, even though I had received the product from within Europe. Now I could forgive a few hiccups here and there. No machine is perfect, right? But this went beyond minor issues. The build quality felt cheap, like it was thrown together in a hurry. And don't even get me started on the lackluster customer support. So, would I recommend the Tronxy Moore One Clay 3D printer? Absolutely not. In fact, I'd advise steering clear of it altogether. Save yourself the headache and invest in something more reliable.